Okay, good day. This is your new instructor for navigation, ICDIS. So I am Captain Roy Cabrera. So just see our references in Edmodo. Okay, I will give you the application for those using the laptop. So this is the one we are using right now. So first, when you go to your uh, Edmodo, just take the resources, okay, and then download from the Google Drives, and then uh, first, please change your computer name in a short. Don't make it too long because it will not install from your uh, laptop. So this one is only for laptop users because this is highly technical. Okay, when you go down the maps, just see my cursor, and there is the symbol right here. Okay, so you can play with this one, the Transas Eclipse Simulator. We will use this one. Okay, and then the symbol. Uh, if you have any question, just let me know for in the just PM me in Messenger. We have already our group chat. Okay, so this is your main chart. Okay, okay, that's one. So there's a symbol. You can uh, play with it. You can set the display. Okay, night. So we will. This subject is very interesting. Okay, so stop share. I will stop share. I will use the my cell phone for the using the cell phone application. Okay, if you are using cell phone, you can go to your Play Store. Okay, so you can search this iStore. Okay, you download the instruction is there, and then we will use this one for our laboratory, our references. Okay, so just click OK. Here down below the tools, okay, see tools, you click the settings here, then you can click the purchase chart that is free. Okay, just use that one, and then go back to tools, then it's very good. The same also, you have also this upper side, the knob. Okay, you can swipe. Okay, and then you can use north up. So these symbols is a lot of here. So we will discuss this one by one. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Anyway, this is also can be found in the chart, paper chart, but this one is ENC electronic nautical chart. So you can drag, you can play with it. This one chart in New Zealand, okay, area. So it's very good. So I hope this one give you interest in our subject. There's a tools, you can make waypoint, you can create new route, okay, you can drag, can check, okay. So it's very good application. So in our laboratory, we will use this one, okay. So that is very good application. Just see your Edmodo, and there's as instruction there. I hope you enjoy. Okay. So if you have any question, just give me a message in uh, Messenger, my FB account. We have already a group GC or group chat in our navigation. So just follow this one. Okay. So nav 306B. So just click so that you have any questions you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.